Today, I will be showing you how to create a circle in Onshape. To begin, open your document and start a new sketch on the plane where you want to create your circle. Once the sketch is active, go to the Sketch toolbar and select the Circle tool. Next, click once on the work area to set the center point of your circle. After clicking the center, drag your cursor outward to define the size of the circle. Then, click again to place it. If you want to be more precise, you can use the Dimension tool. Click on the circle, enter the exact size you want, and adjust the diameter or radius as needed. This helps keep your design accurate and consistent. If you make a mistake or want to remove a circle, simply right-click on it and choose Delete Sketch Entry. You can also delete it using your keyboard. Once you're satisfied with the circle, you can continue adding more features or finish the sketch. And that's how you create a circle in Onshape.